Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make your profile private on your Xbox. Let's get into the method. We can change almost all of the privacy settings from one place. Open the settings first. You can do this by pressing the Xbox button, then scroll all the way to the right and choose Settings here. Within the settings, scroll down to the Account option on the menu on the left, then choose Privacy and Online Safety. Next, choose Xbox Privacy and then you could choose one of the default options at the top. However, if you choose View Details and Customize, we can change all of the individual privacy options. You can set all of these to the most private option. Start in the Online Status and History section and you could change all of these to Only Me. You can then head back and do the same for each of the other categories. Set them to Only Me or Block for the most private setting. This also allows you to keep certain features on if you need them. For example, you could leave some on Friends Only. You could now head back a page and change the settings on here or adjust the app privacy settings. With all of these customized, you might also want to use the Appear Offline feature. Open the Xbox menu again and scroll to the right and select your profile. Then select your current online status and set this to the option you want. That's how to make your profile private on your Xbox. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.